simple diffusion of oxygen into the cell. The process being shown here is simple diffusion of oxygen into the cell. Simple diffusion is passive transport, meaning that it requires no energy, so there is no ATP in the model. Oxygen molecules use simple diffusion to get into the cell because they are small and don't have a charge. The molecules here simply move through the plasma membrane, moving from a high concentration to a low concentration. The process of moving oxygen into the cell is essential for cellular respiration, which creates energy to power the rest of the cell. Part 2. Facilitated diffusion of water with the use of an aquaporin protein. In this model, the process being shown is the facilitated diffusion of water, also known as osmosis, into the cell with the use of an aquaporin protein. The water molecules need to use a protein to enter the cell because they are polar, meaning that they have a charge. Proteins are vital for assisting polar molecules because the inner portion of the cell membrane is nonpolar and would therefore resist and block any polar molecules trying to pass through. Moving water into the cell is essential for maintaining structure and shape, energy production, transport, chemical reactions, and regulation of internal body temperature. Part 3. Sodium-potassium pump demonstrating the movement of sodium and potassium through the plasma membrane. Here we have a sodium-potassium pump, a specialized protein that pumps sodium ions and potassium ions in and out of the cell membrane. The sodium-potassium pump works by pumping a ratio of 3 sodium ions for every 2 potassium ions. This pump is unique because it moves sodium and potassium against the concentration gradient, from a low to high concentration instead of a high to low concentration. This means that it is undergoing the process of active transport and therefore uses energy in the form of ATP. The sodium-potassium pump is crucial for organisms because it maintains the ion gradients essential for cell function. This is necessary for nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and nutrient transport.